Mustang too, y'all. I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. Mustang number 2. This time I'm gonna do a little different approach. I don't know how it's gonna work. I'm gonna try and sand it down with everything on the car. I know it's not professional paint methodology, but we're gonna see how it come out. Oh! So I've started taping everything down. I'm gonna leave that tail light untaped. I'm gonna just spray it. I mean, it's broken. Like, the lens is broken and the housing is broken. So I'm just gonna send it over that. My phone just took a shit. Yeah, this is where we at though. So yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take these seats out of this one and put them in the one that's on the other side of that truck. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. The black one came out kind of cool. The paint actually looks a little better now. They got some heat baked onto it, so it kind of looks a little better. So, not too bad. Got it to the house. I was a little sad the other day, but yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, bringing back the OG wheels for this one too. So yeah. I'm gonna leave them this color though on this one. And yes, I have other glasses in there. All right, I'm gonna call it a day. Got the rear panels sanded and painted for the interior, so that looks pretty good. I bought like a little Bauer hand sand, like random orbital sander with the wireless one, and the batteries are poop, but they only last like, I'll show you how long they last. That much. So I sanded from there to here and died. So I just went back and got the corded one. Hopefully we can get a lot more done. Sand down the engine bay, threw some of that 5,000 degree enamel on. I'll show you that. This is what it looked like. Came out like this. Man, it's pretty good. I probably should have hammered that up before I painted it, but oh well. So now the engine is ready to get dropped in there. I need to sand all this down because if you can see, it is 75 different heights, layers. I don't know what you want to call it, but you're gonna be able to see that in the paint. So I got a lot of sanding to do on that fender. So we'll be back at it again tomorrow, maybe. No, I'm not. I gotta put the fuel pump on the other car. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Probably gonna sweat my ass off, so I probably won't work on this one tomorrow. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. Okay, so just pulled the whole interior out, vacuumed it all up, cleaned it all up a little bit. It's gonna be a lot more welded than I thought on this one. So that's not good. Like that, no. So, I was going to weld in these little floor pans. I like floor pans that I have. That ain't going. That ain't gonna cut it. Oh my God! Yeah. That kind of hurt my feelings for the day because my focus for the day was doing interior, and I don't think that's gonna happen. Hey, shout out to CJ Pony Parts. Man, they need to sponsor me. I've spent like money with them. Yeah, I will say they have, but they got everything. They got everything. If you got a Mustang, actually they got more than just Mustang stuff. So But if you have a Mustang, 65, 69, 70 chassis, whatever, you know. Actually, all of them. Just fuck all that year shit. If you got a Mustang, CJ Pony Parts got all of it. And they even sell wheels and tires together. I'm not doing it on this one, but maybe if I get like a fastback or something that I can drop some real cheddar into, I would go crazy with the rest of them out. So last update, some time wasters been getting in my DMs about the damn 240. I'm starting to think that people that want a 240 are the brokest people on the planet. I'm sorry, like, just gotta say that. Because you can't buy anything for that car for the low. So why do you feel like you can buy the car for the low? I don't get it, People out here like, yo, I'll give you $20. What? So this box just came in. Well, it was kind of already here. Those boxes were already here. This one kind of came in a little afterwards. Doesn't matter the order. So, got some lights. Nice. God, they look good. The tail light was messed up. Hold up. I don't know if the original ones are metal. This is metal. Yo, that shit's plastic. I might need to order another one of these. Yo, so these are the Scott Drake taillights? Yo, I straight up did not order that. Like, I ordered just the cheap regular. I thought I did. Looks like I'm missing a link. Oh! Yo, this thing's about to have some Scott Drake taillights. Honestly, I thought I ordered just regular OEM taillights. And they sent the Scott Drake ones. So, as you can see, got front valence. And this is called an upper stone guard. It's like that piece that fits in between. You can kind of see it on that one. You see where the chrome meets where the headlight housing would be. So it kind of sits like here. Kind of like that. Like that. And we got some hardware, so taillight screws, some more taillight gaskets. I put that. Not gonna lie, I feel like they kind of got me on the headlight buckets, but I couldn't find any other ones, so maybe they didn't get me. But maybe they are probably expensive for like OEM ones, or like some factory ones off of somebody's actual car versus some remanufactured shit. But look at this box. Got the lace. Got the lace. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That's slick satisfying. So, got the headlight bucket. Got the headlight outer piece. Got the headlight housing. So this is gonna give it that, bring back that Mustang look clean. This gonna make it like a car again. Sits in there and then it goes up a little bit more than that. Let's see where it mounts, but it goes in there, and that goes on top of that, and then the headlight bucket goes in, and the bulb goes in. Wish me luck.